In today's world of instant information, there is a lot of misinformation on internet and social media platforms. Misinformation regarding COVID-19 is more dangerous than disease itself. So don't fall prey to such misinformation. For any COVID-19 related information, always rely on verified sources. In this way, you can protect yourself, your near and dear ones for any harm.
To quote Dr. Tedros, we are not just fighting a pandemic, we are also fighting an infodemic. There is an overabundance of information, both online and offline, and some of it is accurate, most of it is not. And this makes it hard for us, including doctors, to find the right source of information to act upon. This has been substantially propelled by the technological advancements and the social media platforms. Thousands of articles have been published both on scientific and unscientific platforms. Millions of videos have been uploaded. Millions and millions of tweets, WhatsApp forwards have been circulated since the beginning of this pandemic. While some of the information that is being circulated is correct, most of it is not. And this has made it very difficult for people because misinformation is readily absorbed by the gullible people who are actively looking for answers to their problems that have arisen during the pandemic. Inaccurate and false information is circulated with respect to various aspects of the disease, be it the origin of the virus, be it the nature of the disease or the treatment of the disease. All this makes the pandemic much more severe and the disease more harmful because this jeopardizes the goal and role of the global health system. What we can do to prevent the spread of this infodemic is to find reliable resources. Things that we read need to come from reliable resources. So we can follow the guidelines that have been issued by the Ministry of Health, the ICMR, or educational institutes like AIIMS New Delhi, global organizations like World Health Organization. Remember that it is your prime responsibility that you do not contribute to the spread of this infodemic. हमेशा आप ये याद रखिए कि अगर आपके पास कोई भी ऐसा फॉरवर्ड आता है, आप उसको पढ़िए, समझिए, परखिए और उसके बाद ही आप किसी और को उसे फॉरवर्ड करिए. All of us want answers to our questions and we want it quick. But access to the right information at the right time in the right format is critical. Always remember that any news that is sensational is almost always fake, whereas COVID is real.
As we roll out COVID-19 vaccination program in the country, wishes of our citizens have been fulfilled in record time. Vaccines remain the most important weapon in the armory of medical science to end this COVID-19 pandemic. However, a lot of misinformation is being spread regarding the safety and efficacy of these vaccines. Unsubstantiated conspiracy theories defying all logics are being spread on internet and social media platforms. Do not fall prey to such misinformation. If you have any query regarding COVID-19 vaccine, seek answer from verified and reliable sources and just not on any random forwarded message. Help in ending COVID-19 by being a responsible citizen. Be a barrier and not a carrier to this misinformation pandemic.